The Internet of Things promises to be a game changer driving digital transformation. Meanwhile, industry is looking for real business value and ROI from their technology. That's why Adlink Edge IoT solutions exist. Adlink makes IoT simple. Built on open technology with a modular architecture, Adlink Edge includes edge hardware, real-time data streaming software, and services packaged together that leverage your existing vendor relationships to connect your entire digital and operational ecosystem. Here's how it works. First, we connect the unconnected. You can't have an IoT project or initiative without the building blocks. Adlink Edge allows operational technology leaders to connect the unconnected by tapping into native communication protocols of devices easily to generate and capture data from any asset through sensors and configured edge devices. No programming necessary. Adlink Edge uses peer-to-peer data movement technology to securely transform and move data. With a connect once, stream anywhere approach, once a device or asset is connected to the Adlink data river, data can move freely northbound, southbound, east or west to any cloud, analytic platform, database, or even between devices. Connect once and stream to any person, place, or thing real time. Adlink Edge bridges the information technology and operational technology divide with a set of integrated services for endpoint monitoring, device management, visualization, analytics, and security, creating intelligent devices that can react to change and interact with the world around them. With Adlink Edge IoT solutions, we make IoT simple. With an Adlink digital experiment, you can make a low-risk, fast start on your IoT journey. By streaming real-time data from anywhere to anything, you can increase asset uptime, harness AI and machine learning, drive operational efficiency, create new sources of revenue, reduce network latency, and bridge IT and OT. Adlink Edge IoT. We make IoT simple.